Uganda is one of the leading exporters of labor in the region. However, the human traffickers take advantage of the vibrant labor export business against the increasing number of people looking for greener pastures abroad. The investigations of human trafficking are costly and require facilitation of witnesses, which has been a main challenge for government. Now, there is a glimmer of hope after the Directorate of Public Prosecutions, together with other partners, such as the Better Migration Management, the EU and German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation, among others, signed an MOU that bridges the technical and financial gap that prosecution has been struggling with. The agreements support the standard operating procedures.
The pre-trial phase and post-trial phase are not catered for by the system. Like, all they want you come and testify, and you actually must come first and testify before you are facilitated to go back. So the fact of preparing a victim and the fact that we never hear cases immediately. The cases are reported, they're investigated, and then they have to wait in the system until funds are available, and it could take about 5 years, 6 years before actually a case comes up.
As a declaration of principle, it is not enough, because consequent action is needed, and this is testified here and in the work that has been also demonstrated by the figures that have been provided.
The partners will provide a lump sum of 10,000 euros to support participation of victims of trafficking in persons during investigations.
Mr. Dumbi once said that we don't manufacture cases as an office. We depend on witnesses. We depend on the public to come and say their case. We just present to them in court. So this is really going to be very, very game changer for us.
There is a component that supports the witnesses and victims access courts regularly by meeting the expenses that have been a hindrance in pursuit of justice.
30% of our TIP victims are supported by civil society organizations. They support them right up to the court processes and conclusion. So what happens to the 70%? That's where you come in.
According to the DPP, this partnership is a groundbreaking move that would offer witness a conducive environment for them to tell the truth against the perpetrators.
We depend on police to do investigations. So you'll find that maybe at the time even a statement was taken, the right environment was not given to a particular victim. So by the time we are preparing them and you are reading to them this statement, even if you read them the statement a day after they have made it, and you say, this is what you said, no, I said, no, that's not what I told police. So it is a chance for them actually now to say what exactly happened.
Under the new partnership, the victims are going to be offered psychosocial support, which has been lacking. According to the DPP, they're going to be handling 8 cases under the International Crimes Division, after which more cases are also going to be attended to. The major challenge in the dispensation of justice, especially in this matter, is the lack of a law on witness protection, a matter that Parliament could take interest in and ensure that is dealt with in time. Sudhir Yarhanga, NTV.